Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. Look who we got over here again, bright and early Saturday morning. Working away already.
I don't know about working away.
Well, yeah. He's still sipping on that coffee.
Yeah.
But be a nice day. Got some work going on. We'll just start off in here. Been working on the 12 GT. Got the rear body cut out. Working on the frame section rail right now. Right here's the replacement. It's getting it ready to go back in. It's coming along real nice. Pulled out real good. I think we're waiting on the rear body panel, though, ain't we? Oh, nope, look at there. Brand new rear body showed up. Woo-hoo-hoo. That's what we've been waiting for. So we're working on this, getting knocked out. What else you get done this week? Got the Riata and Prime.
Riata Prime, camper top, everyone got it.
Camper tops Prime. Oldsmobile hoods painted. Hold on. Let me show you that Oldsmobile hood right quick. Got a lot of hours in that thing. As you can see, it turned out real nice. Look at there. Look at there. You can see my hand reflecting in there. It's about dark in this corner over here, but turned out slick. Front end parts are on the 48. May have had that last week, wasn't it?
And one ball joint is
greased. Thanks to our new grease gun. Electric or battery powered, whatever you want to call it, off the TikTok shop. Check it out.
We did get the paint. Hopefully we got a better paint match.
Got the panels ready for it.
I got this primed this panel. We still got. What I'm gonna do is get them roughed in, primed, and then jam them out and bolt everything back together and finish working.
Be ready to fix all that.
We primed the jams this week on this truck.
Got this and out. Got the jams primed again. That should be the final prime on the jams, shouldn't it?
Well, I seen some places Joey didn't hardly get, so I'll probably end up working them and doing a little.
Well, it's a little spot, but it's got a good coat of primer on it.
For the most part, it's primed.
Let's see. Got the Toyota quarter panel fixed in the paint booth. Ain't nothing else over that way, is there? Got a new car come in. Got the Sentra inspected. Let's just walk outside here right quick.
Just finished an Explorer, put the fender on the headlight.
Yeah, fender headlight. Got the Maverick down off a rack. And we'll be about ready to start putting the motor in.
Yep, we will.
The old Ford truck there, you can see it's about all apart.
Yeah, Daddy spent 2 days parting it out.
Motor's gone. Still got transmission. Some doors gone, bed's gone, but it's all the pieces.
Well, the transmission's supposed to.
Oh, somebody picking it up? Altima is out for inspection, so he should be here next week on it. Wagon's ready to go, ain't it?
That's been Daddy's.
It's close anyway. Sentra, we got the inspection title on it. It's ready to go for sale. Anybody looking? Just drug another Altima in, hitting the front end right there. Nice little pretty silver car. Right there's the Explorer Alan just finished up, got ready. We got a Chevrolet truck out there for next week.
I don't know what that Chevrolet truck is. We worked on his Nissan Rogue. I don't know if he just left it to drive his Rogue home and ain't come back and got it
or may want us to repair on it, huh?
Well,
but anyway, hey, a lot of work going on around here. A lot coming in, so anyway, that's what's going on here at the 256 Garage. Like I said, it's a pretty day. Everybody get out and about. 256 Garage out.